Wonderful people, today Queen are going to cook ogbono soup. Now the ogbono, this I don't grind. This is my crayfish, then my pepper, everything is already ready. So we're going to put warm water for our ogbono. Yes, warm water. I don't put some for my ogbono. I say this my ogbono dey draw. Today I say I go cook it. Look at I'm ogbono this, guys. Look my warm water. Guys, our oil dey for fire. See our ogbono. Guys, look my ogbono where they sell and see. My crayfish with this. We have everything. Everything is already ready. So guys, our oil there. See our oil. Then see our fish. We got titles there. We go fry them. We go fry them. Everything already. Assorted. Everything's already. Assorted. So we go put our ogbono. Let's check our ogbono soup. I tell you, I say I get better ogbono way they draw. You know they see we they play. Look my ogbono now. As you make, as you grind them, so you go they draw. Guys, I get better ogbono way they draw. See, look at. Guys, connect with me if you want the chop ogbono soup. I get better ogbono. There, move the add our warm water so that the ogbono go be done. Pizza, you too much. Look at my ogbono as they draw. See make we cover am when the ogbono run done. Today I use different style to cook ogbono soup. Make we cover am. Yes, so we go dey put maggi. Make we cover am, make it done. Yes, guys, we go dey put our fish for fryer. I want fry the fish. We fry our fish. Fry everything friable. After steaming, you fry. So guys, we're going to open our ogbono. Look at. I tell you now, say my ogbono dey dry. It dey draw. I tell you now, say my ogbono dey draw. Guys, look at. If you want to buy my ogbono, no hesitate to. No hesitate. No, the thought say, that ogbono say go dey dry so. You don't see am. Do one only ogbono. Only ogbono this so with oil. You don't see am. See. Anywhere you dey now, tell me ma begin dey send see ogbono as they draw. This one a better one. Quinta in the ogbonos. Yeah. See ogbono. See as they draw. See am. Better ogbono. We will add water for the pot. Add water, warm water. We put black pepper.